In this video, I will show you how to transport your design that you made in Illustrator and transpose it on a mockup in Photoshop. We'll start with our example here in Illustrator. First, save it as a PNG and let's open our mockup in Photoshop. Open the mockup file and look at the Layers panel. Let's put our cup design on first and then we'll deal with the cap. In the cup layer, double-click on the Smart Object icon and it will open in a new tab. Now click File, then Place Embedded, and select your design from your computer. You may have to adjust the size a bit using the Transform tool. Now click Save and go back to the mockup file. Looks good. Let's do the cap using the same steps that I just showed you. Nice. You can change the color of the brim on the lid and the inside of the cup using the same concept. So again, click on the Smart Object icon on the layer that you want to edit. When it opens in a new tab, you can use the Paint Bucket tool to change it to whatever color you want, then click Save. And there we have it. I hope this tutorial on using Photoshop mockup files was useful for you.